train here at Maumee, and by the way, today is our 200 subscriber special video, so I hope you enjoy. With a weird sounding horn. Oh, man, perfect timing on the video. 200 subscriber special, folks. It's a UP, awesome. Oh, the whiskey train, yes. Yes, yes, it is the whiskey train, yes. Our amazing 200 subscriber special wave. Oh, yes. Have a look. This one. Is it a long one too? Yep. Last time I saw the whiskey train, it was stopped at Whaley. But was it one here or no?
No.
What if it was? Would it be moving this fast? Right now or no? Is it going? Picking up speed? Is he gonna stop or no? What would you say about that humongous 200 subscriber special video? Symbol on that train was NS 256. It came out of somewhere in Ohio. It terminates in the Oakwood Yard. Today is May 14th. You can watch this. You can watch my video on YouTube. Anyway, so that's it.